and lemon combination is a traditional cure for treating cough and has gained a fair credibility in the medical community. Individually, each ingredient has its own power to treat a cough, and when used in combination, the benefits double, giving guaranteed results. Just what we need for a stubborn cough. Honey contains antibacterial properties that help in getting rid of the harmful cough-causing bacteria. It is loaded with vital nutrients such as potassium. 100 grams of honey provides 52 milligrams of potassium. It also contains calcium, manganese, phosphorus, and copper. The presence of such nutrients in honey helps repair and stimulate tissue growth. These nutrients also serve as antioxidants and eliminate the harmful free radicals from the body. Lemon needs no introduction and is known to be one of the citrus fruits that are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is known to help the body build up the immune system. The antioxidants assist in repairing and preventing cell damage. Lemons have strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. This is a very simple recipe with honey and lemon juice for cough treatment. You will need 1 cup organic honey, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/4 cup warm water. Combine 1 cup of honey with 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add warm water to it and stir until the ingredients are mixed completely. You can take 1 tablespoon of this mixture twice a day for a cough, once in the day, and once before going to bed for an undisturbed sleep. Refrigerate the leftover mixture of lemon and honey for further use. It can be used safely for a month.